Wishing all of you very happy Kannada Rajyotsava. Today, let me show you how to make coastal Karnataka special neer dosa. You can make this for breakfast, lunch box or dinner.
Hello friends, welcome to Tiffin Room. If you like today's recipe, please like, share and subscribe. Now let's begin the recipe.
Take 2 cups of dosa rice, wash it and soak it for 30 minutes. Take a pan and dry roast some almond slices for a minute and keep it aside. Add half teaspoon of ghee to the same pan and roast few broken cashew nuts till it becomes golden and keep it aside. Take a mixing bowl, add half cup of grated coconut, quarter cup of powdered jaggery. Add the roasted nuts along with some pistachio, mix it well and keep it aside. Now add the soaked rice to a mixie jar. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Add water little by little and blend it into a fine paste. Check the batter between your fingertips to make sure the batter is smooth. If it's coarse, blend it and make it a smooth batter. For neer dosa, the batter should be lot more runny than regular dosa batter. Add water to the batter to get this consistency. Smear a thin layer of ghee or gingerly oil to the hot pan. Make dosa like this by splashing the batter against the hot pan. I have taken a cast iron dosa pan. You can use non-stick pan as well, but cast iron pan adds more authenticity. Once you make the dosa, cover it with the lid and cook it. Separate the edges of the dosa first. Making neer dosa out of dosa rice makes it very soft, but at the same time it's prone to being little sticky. Beginners can substitute dosa rice with steamed rice. This will make dosa less soft but easy to lift. You can put the dosa on a plate to cool it down or put it on an upside down strainer. I have used eco-friendly areca plate piece to grease my iron pan. This can be reused as well by washing and sun drying. Continue making more dosas because I bet you won't be satisfied with few. Now let's serve the dosas. Today I am serving the dosa with onion coconut chutney and coconut jaggery mix on the sides. A drop of ghee on the dosa will make it even more tastier. Coastal Karnataka special delicious neer dosa is ready. Especially coconut jaggery nuts on the sides will keep your kids energetic.
I hope you guys like this recipes. Please give a try and comment below. For more such recipes, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.